freight train.
Words lost all that meaning meant for them to have. Stories gone unwritten, baby, it's a pencil and a pad. You gone 1,000 miles and you'd ride 1,000 more to look through lonesome eyes and hear that familiar roar. So I'm waiting on that whistle, baby, I'm standing on that rail. I see a smoke signal, it's coming right up over that hill. Your love was like the freight train, like the U.S. mail, but no one else can deliver in rain, sleet, fire, and hell. And your love, oh, freight train, on your love, whoa, freight train. Somebody's cooking in my kitchen, looks like an old friend. Their eyes, they turn to leather, they only speak to pretend. And I don't know where I'm headed, no, I've been here too long. You're sitting there popping some little white pill, sitting here singing this song. And your love, whoa, no, 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 freight train, on your love, whoa, freight train. We was on that reservation, you cried and prayed for rain. And I looked up to that wretched sky, but that rain, it never came. You said feathers that were flying, what are we doing on this ground? Well, gotta get up and let's get out of here, leave this little town. And your love, whoa, freight train. I don't need no power, but I love to get turned on. And I know you know the meaning, I've heard you sing about it in song. You said feathers that were flying, what are we doing on this ground? We gotta get up and let's get out of here, leave this little town. And your love, whoa, no, 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 freight train. On your love, whoa, freight train. So go find yourself some meaning, go sing yourself some song, go get yourself an idea, goddamn, you know we don't have long. And I heard feathers that were flying, what are we doing on this ground? I heard life without feathers, baby. And I heard life without feathers, baby. And I heard life without feathers, baby. Whole lot of walking around.